Hey, Sharks, my name is Christopher.
And I'm Victor, and we are the founders of
Nui,
where we make saying no to sugar ridiculously easy, tasty, and fun. And today we are seeking $300,000 for 10% of our company.
So a couple of years ago, our lives would change forever. Victor and I cut out the sugar and went on a low-carb ketogenic diet, and it was amazing. I stopped napping.
And I lost over 40 pounds. We felt invincible, that is, until we had to face our sugar cravings. Sugar was everywhere. It was in donuts, in brownies, and even in our biggest weakness,
Cookies! So instead of caving in, we go to my mom's kitchen and with no baking experience, created Nui, a super yummy cookie with only 1 gram of sugar.
Nui cookies are a delicious and nutritious harmony of almonds and good fats like coconut oil and grass-fed butter.
You can eat this whole box of Nui cookies and still consume less sugar than one traditional cookie.
We use a proprietary blend of natural sweeteners that taste just like sugar, but without all the sugary consequences.
So, Sharks, will you help us make the world a better place?
Over the last 12 months, tell me how much you've netted.
Our
Profit?
net, if we're counting the last 12 months, is $35,000.
What is your average cost? $12.50?
Yeah.
Right.
So you're basically making about 11% of profit.
But our customer lifetime value is
Do they reorder?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, they do.
What evidence do you have of that?
We have data because it's all e-commerce.
So I happen to know a woman that loves cookies, and I mean loves. Jennifer eats a cookie every night before she goes to bed. But I'm trying to get still into this valuation, Kevin. I want to know how you get there, because
Here's the solution.
Yeah, tell me,
Here's the
Kevin.
solution. Rather than fight about valuation, because you're going to have a hell of a fight, I'll make you the same offer I made Wicked Good Cupcakes when they stood exactly where you were, and they have become multimillionaires. Here's how it works. It's $1 a sale. That's the royalty on it. Until I get my $300,000 back. Then it drops to 45 cents in perpetuity, and I get 2.5% equity just to be a partner and stay motivated. I'll never pay you a $3 million valuation now, nor will any other shark, but it doesn't mean you don't have a great business. That's the solution. Align our interests. There's an offer.
We appreciate the offer. We like to respect other folks as well.
I'll give you an offer. I'll give you the $300,000, 150 in cash, 150 in a credit line. I want 50 cents for each box of cookies you sell. And I want 15% equity.
Ouch!
This is a deal that I would really be excited about.
So I connect with both your stories. Coming from immigrant parents as well, I can really appreciate what really having a PhD is all about. The poor, hungry, and driven. And I really feel that both of you have that. So here's my offer. $300,000 for 25%.
Ouch.
But we are gonna grow you to a company that you're gonna be very proud of very soon.
But it's 25%.
I would ask him a few questions on that. What do you mean you're gonna help me scale it? I would get the specifics.
Yeah, I mean, we would love to hear
Is
the
Barbara your attorney?
specifics.
No, I'm just saying, these kids are entitled to it.
Yeah, we would love to hear how that would work, because 25% is a lot.
You still own 75 after this deal, right? What you want to do is grow the large pizza and get a nice piece of it.
All right, guys, look, 25% is crazy. I'm asking for 2.5% equity. I'm going to give you massive social. I'm already in this space like crazy. And 2.5% equity is just there so that when you exit, I get a tip. But 25%.
For 2.5%, you won't be able to get him on the phone. I've been looking at the space of cookies now for a while, and it's something that we've been wanting to take wide really quickly. And we're thinking direct-to-consumer is the best process. I get 2 young entrepreneurs I believe in, but more important is what you guys can inherit and the position I'm gonna put you in.
Would you come down to 20% with an opportunity for a line of credit? Because we know that as we scale, we're gonna need some additional funds for cash flow.
Guys, 25% is the best deal.
Don't
you
do
ever
that.
cut.
That's way too much equity. Way too much. It's crazy.
We just don't know how we could do 25%.
When you're cashing your check of several $100 million, you're not gonna worry about the 5% or the 10%. And I'll tell you what I'll do. 22.5, I'll split the baby with you, and I get a $1 royalty instead of a 50 cent.
You guys keep on going backwards.
That's crazy.
Could we go back to the initial deal? If you're willing to do the 25% original deal, we're in.
We gotta do it.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Talk
we're in
about
business.
full circle.
We're gonna have some fun.
Yeah.
The golden ticket goes to my favorite product.
I've made you a good offer.
That's what I'm talking about.
That is the winner.
Riding all the way to the bank, baby.
You've come to the right place.